Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. And this video, I'm just going to create a swing scanner for intraday. So like after the down movement, we'll try to find out a intraday scanner with first three candles which I'm just looking for with the scanner. And the scanner which one of my friend who shared that, so the conditions which I just created and he has given me the approve to share on the video. So that's why, and also I'm just going to share this premium scanner into the premium group. So those who are already my member on my premium group, you also access the scanner. And logic for the scanner which I just finding out the trend after a 30 candles lower level, that is a low, and then it forming a such a good reversal in the first two candles. So let me try to create, and what I'm just exactly going to create with the scanner. A stock must be moving lower and it forming a such a continuation in the trend by down candle, and again the same by the next candle it will be showing you the term reversal. So after the high of this particular candle, I'm just focusing for a trend reversal. Maybe the low of this particular candle, these two candles low should be the stop. So this is what a swing. So where I just finding out after the down trend, so it is looking for a buying opportunity in the stocks after forming a downtrend. So that's why I say it is a swing kind of scanner. So swing normally we are trying to buy at a lower level, and this is also one of the scanner which I'm just going to create the scanner, and that was working good. And let me check the back test and the other reports also. So that's why I try to make the scanner with approval with Thirumal. So who have shared the scanner. Let me go to the chartings and how to create the scanner to find out such opportunity. And if you wish, and you can follow the step and you can create also. I'm not using any custom indicator on the scanner. So let me try with the high of this particular candle must be less than high of the another candle. So it's simply what it suggests. I am just using a 15 minutes time frame, and if you are using this kind of 15 minutes, it will be sure repaint. And I am just always using the non-repaint scanners mostly, because if you are looking at a backtest report, if that is repaint means you will be getting only a stocks which forming a, such a good pattern or a good move only. But most of the scanner it is repainting. So repainting means it will be remove the stock after it triggers your stop loss. Such a kind of scanners we want to believe the back test report, but I always create conditions without a without a repaint. Okay, so this is what a first condition which I'm fixing. Equal candle is nothing about the fixing the number of candle, and I'm just placing that to finding out number of candles. Same I just copied it. So equal to 3 must be greater than equal to 2. So this is equal to means that exact candles which I'm just looking for, whether it is giving you breakout or not. Okay, so if I'm just following this pattern, and it will be helping you to give me such a good opportunity to find out such a breakout opportunity as well as trend reversal. Okay, so let me try. So these are all the two conditions, and let me run the scan. Lot of stocks. If you're finding around a 76 stocks in the scanner, if you're finding 76 stocks per day, it's not easy to find out. And I'm just going to create with this conditions, and it will be filtering very few number of stocks. That is the main logic. Must be greater than equal to number one candidate low. Okay, these are all the conditions which I'm creating here. I'm just using close. And if I'm adding this condition, so from 76 and now it is 23 stocks. Let me check any one randomly iShare motor yesterday. Okay, so this is an iShare motor, and it is giving you such a good move after the second candle. It was keep on rallying. Okay, that's okay. And Bank of Baroda, Torrent Pharma, Bank of Baroda, that is also good reversal. And I'm just exactly looking for such a kind of candles which forming such a pattern, and that would be helping you to find out trade opportunities which I'm exactly looking for. So that good reversal which is happening, the second candle high I just try to buy, and the low of the candle I may be keeping a stop loss. And some stocks like State Bank, Sun Pharma. Let me check Sun Pharma, and that is also such a pattern. And it was reversing from the second candle, but the second candle low is great less than the previous one. Such a kind of thing I should avoid. Okay, so why I'm just avoiding? So if I'm filtering very narrow, so again one more condition. So here the high low should be greater than, here is a low should be greater than, instead of that. So this will help me I greater than equal to 1 minute time. So third candle high must be greater than the first candle high or the second candle high, whatever. So we can plan. So the first candle high is always better. So we have almost 16 stocks. From this 16 stocks like Bank of Baroda, so a lot of stocks reversed. And let me check Dr. Reddy. So you can see there is a reversal on the second candle, and that was moving you such a good intraday momentum on the second candle. Like Bajaj Auto is the last one, 16 stock, Bajaj Auto, last one. That is also giving you some good moment here. So this is what a scanner, and it will be helping you to find out very simple condition, but helping you to find out such a good opportunity for your intraday logics. And one more thing which I'm just adding here, if you want to add it here some of the conditions that will help you. So if the thing is formed at lower level, we can find out the opportunities. Okay, so lower level means after the downtrend. So you can see this particular candle low on 18th October 9:15 candle. If we are comparing, so almost it is the bottom. So maybe a swing here from the top almost 11,000, almost 11,200, and it came down to 9,800. So this level will try to find out a reversal. So that we need to add one more conditions here that will help you to find out the lower level. So almost 16 stocks we have, but all are working good like IEX in the bottom. So it is a negative stocks on the day, but the second candle breakout that was giving you such a good result. If you are testing back test, you can look at this. Why the back test? If you are seeing any point of the time, the same stock should be there, because we are fixing the number of candles and it will never go to above or below. So only first three candles only we are mentioning till end of the day. It will be showing. If you are first three candles means if we are looking this at second candle which is breaking the level, and we will be trying to find out an opportunity. Maybe you can set a alert and it will be giving you such a good opportunity to whenever it breaks it will be showing up. For example, on 17th we have only one stocks like Cipla. It will never repaint. Cipla where it is 17th, where you can look at this. This is a 17th, where exactly 16th. Yeah, this is a 17th. Okay, so the next candle where it is given you the breakout. So here in the high of this candle around 9:45 to 10 o'clock, the swing is broken, swing high is broken here, and it was giving you some good movement in upside, but it doesn't move. So maybe I'm just keeping the low of that particular first candle low. If I'm comparing what is my risk, that particular low, if I'm comparing 7 rupees 49%, that is 0.549, and it is almost giving you 11 rupees in the next candle itself. But after that the low is triggered, and if you are not booking your profit at the stop, and it would be a stop loss kind of trade, but still the stock is remain here in the scanner. That is the thing which we called it. It is never repaint. Okay, so that's the most important thing which we are following with this particular condition. Sorry, this is what Cipla on the day of 17:10 11:30, whatever the time frame, 17:10 11:30. The time is doesn't matter. On the day first candle only we are should check, because if you are checking the back test on the first candle also it will be show same stocks. Sorry, we are looking at the same stock Cipla. So our condition is first three candles. So here first, second, third, and that was giving you such opportunity. Okay, I hope you understood. And previous days we have a lot of stocks: BHL, Infosys, Kotak Bank. So let me randomly check BHEL, and that date was 16/10, 15, and this is a 16, and here it is broken, and it is a stop loss. It still remain here. In Kotak Bank, 16th, this moves, and then it is stop loss and still is there. But if you are looking at how much stop loss which you are taken for the trade, and whether it is giving you at least 1 is to 1.5 or 1 is to 1. So 4 rupees risk, and the next candle it went to 1 is to 1, and then it triggers your stop loss. Okay. So to avoid here even a 16 star. So one more conditions also you can add it here, and the low must be equals to, this is one more condition. If you want to turn off or turn on, then it will be giving you that opportunity. That is minimum filter for the low. The studios number of candles should be 30 or more, and I'm just using 15 minutes. That's what the first 15 minutes. It's all about an intraday swing. Again a 15 minutes. That's good enough. Okay, that will help you to find out such a good opportunity. If you are adding this filter, we have 7 stocks. Set up that. We have 13 stocks. From 16, we have removed some. This will help you which forms at the bottom. So let me go for an Hero Motor Cup. Yeah. This would be a bottom comparing to the last 30 candles. If you counted, and that would be a comparing this low comparatively last 30 candles low. That is also works in IndusInd Bank. Like this, you can add it IndusInd Bank here, and this is what point where we got it, and next candle is given you the breakout, and this low is not broken until it moves at the top, and this low is the comparatively low of last 30 candles. I hope you understood the concept, and this will help you to find out a trade opportunity for your intraday, and this will be added into our premium group, so you also access the scanner, and if you have any modification required, you can do. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, kindly subscribe the channel.